Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about something super important in English pronunciation. The letter A. Did you know that A has multiple sounds? In this video, I'll teach you 5 of the most common pronunciations of A, with 10 examples and 1 long sentence for each sound. Let's get started. First, let's start with the short A, like in the word cat. It's a wide open sound, almost like ah, but a little sharper. Let's go over the examples for this word. Cat, bat, hat, map, sad, man, apple, back, black, class. Can you hear how the A sounds in all these words? Let's do our example sentence. The happy black cat sat on the mat near the back of the classroom, while the man with a map planned a trip to a fantastic apple farm. Easy, right? Now try saying this sentence with me. The happy black cat sat on the mat near the back of the classroom while the man with a map planned a trip to a fantastic apple farm. Easy. Next we have A. You hear it in the words like name, cake, A. This is a diphthong, which means the sound moves from one position to another. Listen carefully to these 10 words. Name, cake, plane, rain, day, main, game, stay, way, gate. You can hear that smooth A sound in all of these words. Let's try our example sentence. One rainy day, James played a game, eating a piece of cake, while waiting for his plane to take off through the large airport gate. Try it with me. One rainy day, James played a game inside, eating a piece of cake while waiting for his plane to take off through the large airport gate. Easy. The long A, like in British English. Often found in British English, here are some words where you can hear it. Car, park, bother, arm, start, star, hard, far, dark, garden. Let's try the example sentence. At the start of the evening, my father parked his car near the large garden, and under the stars, we walked far into the night, feeling the warm air on our arms. Did you notice how AR in many of these words sounds like a deep ah sound? Try saying it slowly. At the start of the evening, my father parked his car near the large garden, and under the stars we walked far into the night, the warm air on our arms. This next one is interesting. Aw, like in ball or walk. It's lower in the mouth and sounds like aw. Let's try our example words. Ball, call, walk, talk, small, tall, fall, always, water, law. Notice how the aw sound is soft and round. Aw. Notice how the aw sound is soft and rounded. On a warm autumn afternoon, I walked past the tall trees in the park, talking to my friend about a new law, while watching small children play near the water. Try repeating after me. On a warm autumn afternoon, I walked past the tall trees in the park, talking to my friend about a new law, while watching small children play near the water. Finally, let's talk about the most common sound in English. the schwa sound, or the weak A. And it's super relaxed, like a soft It appears in unstressed syllables. Here are some words where you hear it. About, sofa, banana, China, America, alone, arrive, again, amazing, afraid. Let's try our example sentence. In America, an amazing artist sat alone on a sofa, eating a banana while thinking about his next great painting, waiting for inspiration to arrive. This is the most relaxed sound in English, so don't stress it too much. Try saying it after me. In America, an amazing artist sat on a sofa, eating a banana while thinking about his next great painting, waiting for inspiration to arrive. And that's it. You've just learned 5 different sounds for the letter A in English. Congratulations! Now, try practicing those a few times. Which sound is easiest for you? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get our next lesson. See you next time.